Talk always again, because your vision softly creeping left the scene that I was sleeping.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I come to talk with again, because your vision softly creeping left the seas of I was sweeping, and the visions are plenty in my brain still remain within the sound of silence in restless dreams. Hello darkness, my old friend, I come to talk with again, because your vision softly creeping left the seed of sleeping, and the visions are plenty in my brain still remain within the sound of silence. Hello darkness, my old friend, I come to talk with again, because your vision softly creeping left the seas of I was sweeping, and the visions are plenty in my brain still remain within the sound of silence. Hello darkness, my old friend, I come to talk with again, because your vision softly creeping left the seed of sleeping, and the visions of plenty in my brain still remain within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets through cobblestone.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I come to talk always again, because your vision softly creeping left the scene that I was sleeping, and the visions of a plenty in